Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the most exciting developments in the field of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT. But instead of just talking about the technical details, we'll be exploring how ChatGPT can actually help you achieve your goals and dreams. If you're looking for some motivation and inspiration, you're in the right place. The power of language. Language is a powerful tool that can help us shape our thoughts and actions. By using positive and empowering language, we can build our confidence and motivation to pursue our goals. ChatGPT, with its ability to generate human-like responses, can provide us with the language we need to motivate ourselves and stay focused on our goals. Using ChatGPT for motivation. ChatGPT can be used in a variety of ways to help us stay motivated and inspired. For example, you can use it to create your own personal affirmations or mantras that align with your goals. You can also use it to generate motivational quotes or phrases that resonate with you. And if you're feeling stuck or uninspired, you can even use ChatGPT to generate new ideas or perspectives that can help you break through your creative blocks. Overcoming challenges. Of course, achieving our goals is not always easy, and we will face challenges along the way. But with the right mindset and tools, we can overcome these challenges and keep moving forward. ChatGPT can help us reframe our challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, and provide us with the language we need to stay motivated and focused on our goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is not just a technical breakthrough, but a powerful tool for personal growth and motivation. By using its language generation capabilities, we can create our own affirmations, generate motivational quotes, and overcome challenges on our journey towards achieving our goals and dreams. We hope this video has inspired you to think about how you can use ChatGPT to support your own personal growth and motivation.